नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। This is Digital Session 2.0. I am JVN Dr. Meenakshi Soni, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Department of Homeopathic Repertory, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic is clinical, a case on skin disease. Name Mr. M. Age 30 years, sex male, occupation software engineer, religion Muslim. Provisional diagnosis. This is your assignment work for clinical class. Presenting complaint: pinkish elevated lesion on face, neck, dorsum of hand. The lesion which itching, flaking. The spot appear in a symmetric pattern, and on left hand finger, then on right hand finger too. Spots are pink in color. History of presenting complaint: in childhood when he was 3 to 4 years, suffered from the primary complex, and then at the age of 15 he had bronchitis with typhoid psoriasis 1995. It started with a small spot on the left hand index finger, and then the spread to back of neck, finger, hand, elbows, toes, and the feet. Groin also itchy. Was under allopathic treatment till 2004. Gained weight. As side effect of medicine, took electrohomeopathy for 3 months. Earlier there was a viscous discharge. Now it has stopped. Itching happens but not continuous. Skin become rough, dry, white color like dandruff, scaling present. The family history is maternal family has some persons with eczema or the skin ailments, and maternal family has also a history of diabetes. Paternal side there is no complaint, all are good. Mental causation: father's death, continuous irrational comparisons, disbelief, public disgrace by parents, insult and humiliation by mother, negatively impacted self-confidence and self-dignity, but still care and loves mother. Present mental state is a disinterest, emptiness, loneliness, but optimistic to change it sooner than later. Desire to live peacefully in a village with a big family, friends, and all amenities. Aversion to lie, dishonesty, hurt on self-dignity, or being taken for granted. Liking: atmosphere, cold sunny days, no extreme weather, days feel dull without sunshine. This is the picture of his hand that is looking white scaly type of some changes in his hands, and next picture is of the forehead, and there is some scaly eruption, redness with whiteness, scaly skin. So this both are pictures are given by the patient with his consent. This is your clinical work. Repertorize the case properly with the processing of the case processing. In this case processing, the analysis and evaluation, classification of symptom, totality of the symptom, then selection of the repertory, and after selection of the repertory, selection of the rubric, and finally the result by the result analysis. Then the miasmatic diagnosis, provisional diagnosis, and differential diagnosis, lab investigation, and prescription. All are done by the students of my students actually. Select the repertory on the basis of symptoms as per the case need. The session is completed. I hope you able to solve this case. Thank you. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. Namaste.